Hello YouTube, welcome to the next installment of the repair of a Nissan Stagea 2002 ARX. If you've seen the last videos, we got the starter motor out. That's a starter motor for those that haven't seen it. And honestly, if you haven't seen a starter motor before, maybe you shouldn't be doing this. But the way starter motors work, give power to this little thingy that pops that cog out. Oh god, okay, I've got greasy fat hands, and that engages with the flywheel and turns it. Alright, so that and turns. Anyway, so what we're going to do now, we will take this apart. There are 4 screws in the back, 2 and 2. These here, I think they're 8mm. They're really long shafted ones, and these ones I suspect are holding the carbon brush assembly on the bottom of these. So first things first, let's take the bolts out. Now do remember, when you take this apart, there's going to be little things that go everywhere. Either take pictures as you're doing it, just to make sure you put things back in order. If you don't, I must say I'm guilty of that, there is the part number 23300 AL, oops, back in there, AL600, 23300 AL600, and if you put that in Google and you go to images, you should find the exploder diagram of your part. So if nothing else, you have a drawing, and they're pretty good of how to put things together. Alright, so there is grease in here. You will get dirty, and therefore recommend you use gloves. Part of the repair process will be cleaning the bits and replacing the grease with some nice fresh lithium grease. Right, so let's be careful here. Oh, see? Oh. Okay. There's this, something already fell. See these little things? Don't lose them, guys. I will be cleaning these. The whole model seems to be moving. It's okay. 1 cog, 2 cogs, 3 cogs. I'm not going to worry too much about this part of the starter, but it's pretty dirty, so I will be replacing the grease there, giving it a nice little clean. Maybe put it in the parts cleaner, give this a bit of a scrub around with some cleaner. Okay, so far so good. That just pulls out, as you saw. Oh, get back in here. There you go. Again, you get in your car, you turn that on. The moment you go, that pops out and turns your engine. And Bob's your uncle, as they say. So we'll leave that there for now. Something to remember, these screws are, well, they're a combination of flat and Phillips. Now, I don't think it's Phillips. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese standard, JIS. They are different, and I'm not going to cover how different they are, but oh, look at that. Magnets here, and right on the bottom there you should see the carbon brush assembly. Well, I hope you can see it, because I can't. So pretty grimy as well, so we're going to give that a pretty thorough clean. let's see if we can get those carbon brushes out. So I did crack open those screws because I couldn't afford to do too much TV magic. Oh, that's a bit wobbly. It's okay. And okay, let's see. The 2 screws are out. What happens next? Oh, it's all out. Okay, so this is where we are now. So let's have a look. Oh God. Let's get this cable out. So I should have done that in front of the camera. Got that out. So now we have a very dirty cap. One more thing to clean. And we should have the brushes. Now, well, that does seem pretty filthy to me, but anyway, what do I know? Now, I will proceed to remove this and remove the carbon brush assembly. Carbon brushes seem to be extremely worn. Let's see if you can. So these are, that's one of them, for instance, and I can see they're already quite low. Right. Right. I had to change gloves because the flimsy ones just didn't take it. In the meantime, I used my love hammer and I tapped that bracket out that normally goes in that way and locks it in place, keeps the carbon brush assembly in place. I suspect it's going to come off. Oh look, magic. Right, so this is the carbon brush assembly. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon brushes. They usually stick out. There's not much left of them, really. They've all got the shape of the cylinder as well. They've got little grooves. Don't know how I can make it any. There, that should do it. So, yeah. The part number I will add in the comments of the video. And what I'll proceed to do is I'm going to leave that to one side just so that I can match the new one. And then get my parts cleaner and put those grimy things in there, Got a little bit of fresh petrol. I just try and give them a nice little clean, and then we go and get some nice lithium grease tomorrow and put it all together. I mean, that can't be good for it, surely. Alright folks, thank you for watching the next installment. Next one, I'm expecting the part to come in a couple of weeks. I did get the parts from Amazon. I put the part number in, it was the cheapest, it had the quickest shipping. So I would have rather gone local, but it was impossible. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.